Why are we at Copresco taking out these digital presses that have served us well and have many more years of service on them, delivering your books, manuals, and publications?
I'll tell you why. Because at Copresco, we're committed to constantly updating our equipment. If we can squeeze one more second out of one more minute out of one more hour getting your books, manuals, and publications printed even faster and with even better quality, we're going to do it. In the last year, we've replaced 2 of our digital presses with the latest and greatest technology just so we can meet your delivery deadlines. Pandemic, we're determined to meet your needs no matter what they are, and we can do it. You can read all about it this month in our latest issue of Overnight Lite newsletter. Now, if you subscribe, you've already received this in the mail, but if you don't, you need to go to www.copresco.com and click on the Lite link. There's a subscription form. We'll send it to you in the mail, printed on paper, the way God intended, every month. It's free, it's a service, and it comes with our patented jokes and funnies on the back. I think you should go to the website and subscribe today.